Beatrix, do you accept my final rose?
Yes. Thank you. Diga gracias.
Thank you.
Gracias.
Say yes.
Yes.
Hey my sweet and beautiful cupcakes. Welcome back to another video. Whoa, I have not filmed a video in a long time, and I have not filmed a baking video, and I don't even know how long. It's just been a very long time, but I'm very excited because today I am going to be trying to follow a My Cupcake Addiction tutorial.
Hey guys, my name's Elise. 3 years ago, I started making cupcake videos and put them on the internet. Today, My Cupcake Addiction is about so much more than just cupcakes. We've got rainbows, we've got golden treasure.
She, a long time ago, came out with this tutorial on how to make rose cake pops, and for the longest time I've been wanting to make them, but I just haven't had the chance to do it. And at the same time, it is the season finale of The Bachelor today, which is called The Final Rose, so I thought that it would just be perfect to make these rose cake pops. I personally suck at making cake pops. I am not good at it. I've done them in the past. I've done them for other people as like orders, but it's just always a struggle for me. I'm not good at it. So hopefully in this video, Elise can give us some tips on how to do these cake pops, and hopefully they came out really good. So I'm so excited. I'm gonna go ahead and switch the view for you guys. I'm gonna switch the angle because I don't have a giant kitchen. I don't have a nice, beautiful, big counter where I can film myself and what I'm creating at the same time. So I'm gonna switch the angle and we're just gonna jump right into it and get started. I'm so excited. I'm gonna open my phone. And oh, I was watching X Factor audition. So I looked up My Cupcake Addiction rose flower cake pops.
Hello and welcome to Cupcake Addiction's Valentine's Rose Cake Pop tutorial. Tools and equipment that we will be using today.
Alright, tools and
I have
equipment.
a polystyrene block that I'm resting my cake pops in. I've got a couple of lollipop sticks. I've got my pre-rolled cake pop balls ready to go.
Okay.
If you are not sure how to get your cake pop balls to this consistency, if you don't have a great recipe, check out our channel. I'll leave a link to our...
Alright, so as she explains it, I'm going to go ahead and gather my stuff and then I will be right back. Okay, so I've gathered some stuff that she said that we need. And the other thing that she said we needed is modeling chocolate, but I don't have modeling chocolate. I've never used it. And yeah, so she has a tutorial on how to make it. So we're gonna jump to that tutorial. This is like following 2 tutorials in one. It's kind of more than I thought it was gonna be. But we're gonna go ahead and jump to that tutorial and see how to do it. So let's just go do that real quick.
Hello and welcome to Cupcake Addiction's easy microwave modelling chocolate recipe and tutorial, where I'll be showing you how to make some easy microwavable modelling chocolate.
But okay, so I have 9 ounces of white chocolate, and then she said 4 tablespoons of glucose syrup. Okay, so 1 tablespoon of oops, I didn't put too much. Okay, 1 tablespoon of tap water, and
that's been warmed up for about 30 seconds in the microwave, just to make it a lot more fluid and a lot easier to mix through the melted white chocolate.
For 30 seconds. I tried to mix it, but I don't know if you guys can see the water is still like on top, so it's not really mixing very well. Hopefully this is okay though, because I don't know what to do.
Okay, so I've got my melted white chocolate at 30 seconds. So I'm just going to pour that in.
I'm so scared.
And taking the spoon, I'm just going to stir around.
Put that in there, and they're both warm. So I'm kind of just folding it in. It's getting a little bit lumpy, and I'm nervous because I don't know if that's supposed to happen. I have to look back and see.
There's still little clear rivers of glucose running through.
Okay, so hers looks lumpy too.
I'm going to fold the cling film over. I'm just going to spread that modelling chocolate out. This is just going to help it set a little bit quicker so it's not just a big...
So this is like super soft and super just wobbly. I think I did something wrong, first off, but I also don't have 12 hours or even 3 hours to wait for this to harden. So I'm going to put this in the fridge for 12 hours. And then I also saw that Cake Boss, they have a YouTube channel. It's called Cake House, or yeah, Cake House. They came out with a modeling chocolate recipe also. So I'm going to go ahead and follow that because I did watch that tutorial earlier this week, and I saw that they only, like, it's really quick. You can use it pretty much right away. So I'm going to let you guys know how the Cupcake Addiction recipe came out in the description or in the comments down below, because it's not going to be ready anytime soon. So I'm going to go ahead and follow the Cake House one, and hopefully that one comes out good, but let's just see. I saw that the difference in both recipes is that the Cake House one does not use, they don't put water in it, and I think that might be the issue. I don't have enough chocolate left to do the full recipe, so instead of 4 tablespoons of glucose, I'm gonna do 3 and see how that works. I'm so scared. I really want this to work out. So far, I think I'm liking it without the water. I mean, I don't really know yet, but there's no liquid left behind, because with the other one there was liquid left behind for some reason. So this one came together really quick. I'm pretty surprised and pretty happy with it. Sorry if this is like going out of frame. I don't have my regular camera with me. Oh, look, when I press it, there's nothing on my finger. Ooh, this feels so good. Okay, so he said to leave it until it's room temperature, which I like a lot better than leaving it overnight, just because, especially if you're doing this really like in a hurry, you kind of don't have that much time. All right, so it's still warm. It's definitely a lot firmer than the other one. I'm gonna go ahead and leave this until it cools down to room temperature, and then I'll let you guys know how it goes. So here is my dough. Can you see?
Nice teardrop. You don't want it to be too tall. Okay. Otherwise you're going to end up with a really, really tall rose. And I like to make these in a few different sort of sizes. You don't want them all to be perfect because roses in nature are not perfect. So there's your little cone shape, and as I mentioned, here's one that's been refrigerating. So once you've made that cone, pop it in the fridge for about 15 minutes so it's really nice and firm. Then we're going to take the cake pop stick. Okay. Dip it in that lovely pink chocolate.
Hold on. And all right, so I'm gonna just use up all my dough because I have a feeling that something's gonna go wrong.
Then we're going to take the cake pop stick.
So I'm gonna take
pink chocolate
my
and just insert it into the bottom of
and these have been chilling in.
Now that one's going to go into the fridge for another 10 minutes or so, just until that lovely chocolate seal is completely set.
Okay,
and then we'll come back and get to dipping.
This is gonna go in the fridge again. So I'm just gonna finish doing these and then put them in the fridge.
Today,
oh my gosh, that looks so satisfying. This is always the part where I mess up. So I'm gonna cross my fingers and hope that this goes well. So
make sure that there's no excess
put
remaining.
it in. Swirl it around.
Don't worry if it's not particularly neat. It's going to be almost completely
I feel like I have to add more chocolate.
So I'm going to take
in
my little cone-shaped cake pop and just pop it in the polystyrene block.
That's actually not bad.
Set before we start adding modeling chocolate.
I'm gonna go ahead and take my styrofoam block and I'm gonna put my cake pop in there. Oh my gosh, it looks so cute. Okay, let's hope that the rest came out well. You guys, I thought that I was gonna mess up on this, but I'm actually doing a good job. Usually it's a disaster. Oh, here we go. No. Ugh. Do you see that? That breakage? It always happens to me. Always. And I don't know why. I think it might be because I honestly don't know. It might be because my chocolate is too thick. I'm gonna go ahead and try to thin out my chocolate a little bit. So I'm gonna add about like this much. I usually don't measure it. of vegetable shortening and put it in the microwave for about like 20 to 30 seconds and see how it does. So this one came out better. I think the secret is kind of just to do it quickly. Oh no. Ah, they bumped up against each other. Oh no, this one's about to fall out. Oh gosh, this is gonna fall. Okay, I'm just gonna put it in my styrofoam so that it doesn't fall out of the stick because it's about to happen. I'm gonna put it over here. I think this is as smooth as I'm gonna get them. See? They're not as perfect as hers, but I try my best. I really do. Alright, so this is what my cake pops looks like so far. I'm so surprised and so happy with how well I did. So I'm gonna go ahead and move on to my modeling chocolates. This, I'm really happy with this because it's already nice and hardened. I really recommend the Cake House modeling chocolate tutorial. I'm gonna link it down below. So I'm gonna go ahead and unwrap this. So I'm just kneading it, putting some elbow grease into it. So for the red, I'm using Wilton's red food coloring. This is gel. And for green, I'm using AmeriColor Leaf Green, and this is also a gel. Okay, so I'm ready to start building them. Only took forever. So she said to make a ball and smear it. Oh, that does not look good. Okay. I'm just gonna go ahead and flatten it with my hands.
Now I'm going to wrap this around quite close.
Maybe it needs to be bigger.
To that bud. And that's going to form a nice little curl of the bud. So you want that one to be quite tight in the center of your cake pop cone. Now, as I mentioned, this is not hard to do.
All right, that's not bad.
Difficult, but it is quite
Let's see. Maybe I need a bigger ball.
That modeling chocolate, smear it out.
Guys, it's looking so cute. Okay, so this is what they look like. I was able to make 5 roses and the rest are not done. And that's just because I didn't make enough modeling chocolate because I wasn't able to follow the recipe correctly because I didn't have enough chocolate left. So this is what they look like and I'm so happy with them. I think they came out good. It did take a long time. It took me 4 hours and a half, you guys. 4 hours and a half. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching this video. And I didn't realize that my camera had cut me off. I'm so sorry, guys, but thank you for watching this video. I hope it was entertaining to you. Thank you, Elise, for making such wonderful and amazing cupcake tutorials. They are really just so great, and I'm so happy to see all of your success. So yes, I'm going to leave all of the videos that I linked or that I talked about in this video down below in the description, and I will see you guys in the next one. Thank you again for watching. I love you. Have a wonderful rest of your day. Bye.